All right, so if you're an entrepreneur, someone who actually sells physical products, you know that your supply chain is everything. I mean, it's the absolute make or break factor, right? Finding good stuff at a price that actually lets you compete, that's the whole game. But here's the thing. What if the way you've been told to find those products is actually what's holding you back? So, does this sound familiar? You spend weeks, maybe even months, just digging through endless websites. You're sending out all these emails that just seem to disappear into a black hole, and you're just crossing your fingers, hoping to find one single reliable supplier. It's this soul-crushing, time-consuming grind that, let's be honest, probably kills off so many great business ideas before they even get started. Okay, let's just break this down. On one side, you've got the old way, right? It's a total tangled mess of research. You've got very limited options, and the pricing, who knows? But what if there was a new way? Imagine a direct path, one that takes that search from months down to just days, one that gives you direct backdoor access to factories and, you guessed it, the competitive prices that come along with that. And look, this isn't just some small inconvenience. This whole sourcing struggle, it's a huge barrier. It's like a giant wall that stops so many entrepreneurs from taking a really brilliant idea and turning it into something real, something profitable. Well, today, that's the problem we're going to tackle. And this is exactly the problem a platform like madeinchina.com was designed to solve. So what is it? Think of it as a really powerful e-commerce platform, but with a very specific mission: to be a direct bridge between global buyers, people like you, and the actual manufacturers, the people on the ground in China making the products. When you source directly, what you're really doing is cutting out all those layers of middlemen. You know, the importers, the distributors, the wholesalers, all of them. And this does two amazing things. First, you get access to way more products, but more importantly, it means you're buying at real factory prices, and that can completely change the game for your profit margins. I mean, just take a second and really think about what this could mean for your business. We're talking lower costs, way more control over your product, and you're communicating directly with the people who are actually making it. This isn't just a small step up. It's like unlocking a whole new world of opportunity. Okay, so let's get practical. What does this direct connection actually look like in real life? How do you go from just an idea in your head to a physical product that's ready to sell? Let's walk through it. You know, it all sounds great in theory, but for any of this to actually work, the process has to be simple. And luckily, they've streamlined it all into a really clear, straightforward path. It really just boils down to 4 simple steps. First step, you create a free account. Takes just a few minutes. Second, you dive into their search tool to find the exact products and suppliers you're looking for. Third, and this is the important part, you contact them directly through the platform to get your quotes and all the info you need. And finally, all the answers come right back to you, all neat and tidy in your account and your email. And hey, when we talk about that second step, the searching part, we're not talking about some little online catalog here. This platform has a massive array of products that covers more than 8 major industries. The sheer scope of what's available is, well, it's huge. Now this right here really gets to the heart of it. Instead of you chasing down suppliers one by one, you can send out a single request and have it go to many of them all at once. This completely flips the dynamic. All of a sudden, you've got multiple high-quality suppliers competing with each other, basically bidding to win your business. That's a powerful position to be in. All right, so that's the 4-step process for finding a great partner. But, you know, finding them is really just one piece of the puzzle. The next big question is, how do you make sure you can trade with them safely with total confidence? Because really, finding the supplier is only half the battle, isn't it? The real question, the one that probably keeps entrepreneurs up at night, is how do I know I can actually trust this person? How do I protect my money? And that's where having a secure way to trade becomes absolutely essential. And this right here is a total game changer. It's an escrow service. So think of it like this. It's a neutral third party that holds onto your payment. The supplier doesn't get the money until after you've confirmed that you got your order and you're happy with it. Just that one feature alone removes a huge amount of financial risk from the equation. And then to add another really critical layer of security on top of that, there's an inspection service. This lets you hire a professional to go in and physically check your products, the quality, the quantity, everything before they ever leave the factory. Think about the difference there. It's catching a small problem on site versus finding a complete disaster when an entire container shows up at your door. So, when you put these two tools together, you get this really powerful system for trading safely. The whole point is to take the worry and the risk off your plate so you can focus your energy on what actually matters, building your business. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap of the three huge transformations we're talking about here. Number one, you find your suppliers way faster. We're talking days, not months. Number two, you get much better prices because you're buying direct from the factory. And number three, you can trade securely using those built-in protections like the escrow and inspection services. It's the whole package designed to give you an edge. And all of this brings us right back to you. With these old barriers, time, price, and security brought way, way down, the real question is, what new opportunity does this unlock for you? What's that business idea you had, the one that always seemed impossible, that is now suddenly totally within your reach?